Cece and welcome to CC Vibes. Today you have tuned in to my very first unboxing. Today I will be unboxing the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 smartphone stabilizer. This stabilizer has a variety of functions allowing you to vlog and shoot content throughout the day, including slow motion, time lapse, hyper lapse, sports mode, and etc. With this particular stabilizer, you do have to have the iOS 10 or for Android, you need to have the 7.0 or higher. It comes with power cord, storage pouch, wrist strap, anti-slip pads, tripod, and carrying case. So let's see what we have. I'm nervous, y'all. Bear with me. Okay. So, just from opening the box and taking it out, it's neatly boxed. Everything is neatly packaged. Let's see. Try not to. I've been wanting one of these for a while, so I'm excited to use it. I'm going to be using this to do more unboxings, traveling, video. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So it comes with, let's see here. Well, let's open this first. Here's the case that it comes in. It's pretty neat. Not as big and bulky as I thought it would be. Let's see. Okay. So, here's the actual stabilizer. It folds up pretty neatly. So that's a plus. Okay. It does have where it spins around and you can do little different angles with it without having to actually move your phone as much. And you won't be able to see that it's shaking or anything like that. So I can't wait to test that out. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see, how does this open? I guess we're just gonna have to rip it open. Oh, wait, hold on, right here, I think. Huh? And that's a little hard to get into. But we have the USB cord. We have your instruction and user guide. And you have your tripod stand. Okay. And let's see what else is in here. Your 4 anti-slip pads. And your wrist strap. And here we have just another little carrying case that you can put it in. There. Just from opening everything, the case is, neat. The only thing I wished it had was different little spots or compartments to put the cord and stuff in. I like to be organized with stuff like that. So that's kind of not a plus for me. So it's like when you put everything in here, you're going to have to just basically make it work. You don't have a place to put the tripod unless you put it, I guess you could put it on the back, but I don't like that much. So that's the only downside that I have to the stabilizer. As far as everything else, it looks really good. I mean, the grip is comfortable. It's nothing that would make you feel like it would hurt your hands holding it, you know, for hours. Your phone would just go in here, and yeah, I will be using it within the next week or so. I will come back and do a review on how I actually like it once I charge it up. It does have built-in batteries, so you will have to charge it. But once I get that going, I will come back and let you know what my initial thought is of it. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. I will be doing more videos, so, you know, keep a lookout. Thank you.